leads back to you. The silence grows, it fills the air. Your memory's still everywhere. No matter how far I try to run, the night reminds me you're the one. I'm lost without you, can't find my way. Every sunrise feels so gray. The world keeps turning, but I stand still. In this empty space, I feel the chill. I'm lost without you, can't break free. You're the ghost inside of me. The stars above, they lose their light. They can't outshine our final night. Your voice, it lingers in my chest. A haunting song, a bittersweet rest. I reach for dreams where you still stay, but morning steals you far away. The echoes fade, but not your face. Your every breath, your every trace. I'm lost without you, can't find my way. Every sunrise feels so gray. The world keeps turning, but I stand still. In this empty space, I feel the chill. I'm lost without you, can't break free. You're the ghost inside of me. If time could heal this broken night, I'd pull you close and hold so tight. But shadows dance where love once stayed, and all that's left begins to fade.